Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ayurveda Boon. In the recent video we have talked about Madhumeh diabetes, its Ayurvedic parameters. Now we are going to talk about the diabetes, its modern parameters. So moving further, the first and essential thing comes that what is diabetes. So if we talk about diabetes in a common definition, then it is a disease that affects your body ability to produce insulin. But according to the WHO, diabetes is a chronic metabolic disease characterized by the elevated level of the blood glucose level, which leads over time to serious damage to the soft tissue such as eye, heart, and etc. So this is diabetes. And second thing comes that what are the general symptoms that people feel who are diabetic. The general symptoms includes increased hunger, increased thirst, weight loss, frequent urination, blurry vision, and extreme fatigue. And the most common symptoms which are only seen in the men are the decreased sex drive, erectile dysfunction, and a poor muscular strength. And some of the symptoms which are seen in women are urinary tract infection, yeast infection, and dry itching. So the next thing arises that what are different types of diabetes. So there are 4 types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes, and gestational diabetes. So talking about the type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease, which means that body attacks itself. In this, the beta cells of the pancreas are destroyed and the insulin is not produced. So about total 10% of people are affected by this type 1 diabetes. Talking about second, type 2 diabetes. In this type, the body is unable to produce insulin, or it is normally don't respond to it. And this is most common type of diabetes. About 95% of people are affected by this type of diabetes. Pre-diabetes. This is the stage before second type diabetes. In this, blood glucose level are higher, but not as much higher as to be diagnosed in the type 2 diabetes. And the gestational diabetes. This is type of diabetes which occurs during the pregnancy of a woman. And there are some common types of diabetes: monogenic diabetic syndrome, cystic fibrosis related disease, a drug and chemical based. And next is the diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus is a distinct rare condition that causes kidney to produce large amount of the urine. There are 3 types: central diabetic insipidus, nephrogenic diabetic insipidus, and hypogenic diabetes insipidus. Now comes the diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic clinical syndrome characterized by the hyperglycemia due to absolute or relative deficiency of insulin, and by the long-term complication including the eyes, kidney, nerve, and the vessel. And these are of 2 types: IDDM, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, and NIDDM, non-insulin dependent mellitus. And some of the medicines are listed below, like alpha glucosidase inhibitor, which slow your body and breakdown of sugar and starchy foods such as acarbase and migilitol. Second is bigonoids. Third is metformin. Fourth is DPP-4 inhibitor. Fifth is glucagon-like peptides and meselinetides, SGLT2 inhibitors, etc. are some of the medicines in the 40 that have been approved in the treatment of the diabetes. Now we are moving to the complication of the diabetes. And now talking about the complication of the diabetes, like if a person is affected by the diabetes and he or she is not taking control of it, then there are some of the serious complications which can be seen, like the increased blood sugar level and heart disease, heart attack, stroke, hearing loss, foot damage, skin condition, bacterial fungal infection, depression, and dementia. And the second cause in the gestational diabetes, uncontrolled gestational diabetes. That if a person, he or she is suffering from the gestational diabetes and he or she is not taking control of it, can lead to the problem that affect both the mother and baby. These complications includes premature birth, increased risk of type 2 diabetes later in life, lower blood sugar level, jaundice, and stillbirth. So these are the complications that are seen in the person affected with the diabetes. So now we are going to talk about that what are the causes that causes the diabetes. Like in the type 1 diabetes, it is said that the immune system which mistakenly attacks the beta cells of the pancreas which produce the insulin are the factor that causes the type 1 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a combination of wisdom and the genetic and the lifestyle factors such as not doing any work, feeling obese, getting extra weight in the belly are some of the reasons that causes the type 2 diabetes. And the gestational diabetes is the result of the hormonal change during pregnancy. The placenta produces the hormone that makes a pregnant woman's cells more sensitive to insulin, and that causes the high blood pressure, which is resultant in the gestational diabetes. Now we are going to talk about the investigation of diabetes. That what are the tests that had been performed in the investigation of the diabetes. So the first is the fasting plasma glucose test. Its normal level should be less than the 100 mg per dl. And the second is the random glucose test. In this, the normal level should be less than the 140. And the third is A1LS test, in which the normal level should be less than the 5.7. And the fourth is oral glucose tolerance test. In this also, the normal level should be less than the 140. And now we are going to talk about this treatment. The treatment of the diabetes has been approved. In this, about 40 medicine have been approved in the treatment of the diabetes. So this is all about the modern parameters of the diabetes, its risk factor, prevention, cure, treatment, diagnosis, and all the related modern parameters. So if you love this video, please give us a like, share and comment. Thank you.